The second practice that is indicated here, given the proclivity towards emotional attachment or physical attachment, being either attached to our stuff, excess weight, or a person, let's see, is a pranayama that I wanted to share with you. So this is called Rechaka. Rechaka means to expel, to release. When we practice this pranayama, what we're doing, getting comfortable here, when we practice this pranayama, what we're doing is we're practicing letting go of attachments. So I highly recommend that you practice this for a week, and failing that, do it for 5 minutes, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So here's the practice. I'm going to give you a sample practice now, and then you just try it on your own for 5 minutes every day for a week and see what happens. So we sit down in a comfortable asana or position. We want to, Ayurveda teaches us that we want to practice these yogic techniques, pranayama, whatnot, not on an empty stomach, not on a full stomach, 30 minutes away from food, at least 15 minutes away from bathing or any sexual activity. So we come to sitting calmly with our spine straight here. We begin to relax the breath. Slow down the breathing, noticing how your body is in relationship to the room, to the chair, to itself. 3 common things that you might notice are sounds in the environment, sensation in your body, or thoughts in your head. And then we just bring our attention right back. We breathe in and out through our nose, unless of course we cannot. After you've let yourself settle for a few moments, begin to track the breath as it comes in and as it goes out. You'll notice there's a pause. And then on the inhale, there's a natural pause before the exhale. They say this is where we have our experience of the Creator. See how much you can dwell in these 2 places. And then we'll begin to place our attention on that exhale, gently, comfortably suspending the breath out for a few moments. Comfortably. Exhaling, suspending that breath out. And then allowing the inhale to roll in, the prana to roll in. Exhaling, suspending the breath out. Releasing, letting go of our attachment to the physical, to the breath. Inhaling and exhaling. Suspend, not lock. Inhale. And exhale last time. Inhale deeply. And then continue to breathe in your normal fashion. You can move on to do another pranayama or your meditation. Again, this was just a small snippet of a sample practice. You can use Rechaka, or the exhale, holding the breath out, along with the pranayama that I taught you earlier in this cycle, alternate nostril breathing or nadi shodhana. You would just exhale and hold that breath out and continue on. I highly encourage you to practice this whenever you feel like you want to shake it up and let go of some of the attachments. After all, in the end, we have no attachments. We can't take anything or anyone with us. Stephen Levine, one of our great teachers, says it takes a lifetime to become fully embodied. And ultimately, that's what we're trying to do. So let me know how those two practices go for you.